Hey there, welcome to my another tutorial on CapCut. In this tutorial I will show you how to do split screen on CapCut. So let's start how to do it. Open your CapCut. Now you will start by creating a new project, or you can open existing one. I will start a new project. So let me now go and select the videos. I want to do this with just 2 videos, but it can be more for you. So select them from the gallery and click on Add. Now go to the second video and click on it. And then scroll along at the bottom until you see Overlay. After finding, click on it, and it'll then go and put it below the video in the timeline. But in fact it's above it in the video preview. So place your finger on it and hold it, and you can adjust it underneath the other one, like this. And go and select it again. And click on Blend or Splice. And lower this down, just like. Now you will position it of your choice. I like this to be off-centered. So I can keep the centered part. So just simply drag it in the preview screen. And then I'll select the mouse one which is above it in the timeline. And then drag that over to the left. Now we split it, so we can still go and see the central parts once, and you've made the adjustments. Select the bottom video. After adjustments, select the bottom video again and increase it again. Now keep it selected, and scroll along at the bottom until you see Mask. And click on Mask. And then click on Horizontal. And there it is. Then what you can do is use one to go and move the entire thing. And then use 2 fingers to rotate the line. After rotate the line, just use one to go and move the entire thing. That's perfect. Now I'll press the tick and you can make further edits or save it. Now I can play it back, and that's exactly how I want it to be. After completing the process, cutting the extra layer if have, and export the video. Thank for watching.